So our flight to the Azores, come here, I think it got lost into the Bermuda Triangle. So the flight is for 8 o'clock p.m. Right now it's 5 o'clock. We're gonna reach the Azores if we get to board the plane at about 4 in the morning, local time. And we finally made it. It is, what is it?
11 hours past what we were supposed to do.
It is 6:20 in the morning and we have to sleep and get up before 1 o'clock to go swim with the dolphins. We just finished with this pretty rough ride on the way there and the way back. Like, I think I needed back surgery, but besides that, water was 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty cold. Not as cold as Peru, but we saw some dolphins. I hope the footage was good because I haven't seen it yet. Okay, we sat down here right next to the marina to eat, and the prices are night and day from the Bahamas. I'll show you. I have not seen anything that costs $2 or €2 anywhere else. So we went to the store, and I'll tell you in a second what we got and how much it cost. Easy $100 in Bermuda, easy. Okay, so we got bread, some meat. This is just for kind of dinner and breakfast. We got a milk of chocolate, a tang, got some cheese, Activia, 2 waters, milk, and we got Philly cheese as well. All of that was €12. €12 and 13 cents. Bahamas is gonna be $100, I guarantee you. Good morning, this is day 2. So we're gonna pack up a little bit and go for, I think it's a 4-hour tour, day 1, or part 1 of the tour. And tomorrow it's part 2.
We're at a viewpoint to see the entire island.
Santa Iria. And this is how it looks. Alright, next stop is the Botanical Gardens. We're gonna take a dip into the thermal pools. And tickets is €10. And we come into this muddy water. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay, I can do that. Very much. Thank you guys. That's cute. Alright, this is a natural thing from the volcano. It's where they cook the meal we just ate. And yes, it does smell like rotten eggs.
Potatoes, anything that could be boiled.
This is corn on the cob that is boiling there. It's volcano corn. Alright, this is actually right on top of where we were. We're all the way down where you're cooking the food, and this is all the way up to the rim of the crater of the volcano. We're all the way down there, as you can see on the drone. This is the whole view of the lake that is actually inside a volcano. It's like 7 kilometers wide, or 5 miles, I think. Our fourth and last stop for the day was a tea plantation where we got to try green and black tea, and I gotta tell you guys, it did smell amazing. We started our second day with a plantation tour of the pineapple.
Good to know. Yeah.
Then we continued to another viewpoint and finished our tour at another local lunch. All right, lunch today into a remote village on the west side. Looks a lot like home, but like a similar setting, as you can tell. Right there. Well, it came to an end today's day. It's raining, as you can tell behind me. The whole day was raining, and it was pretty foggy, so I didn't take that much footage. There's not much things to see to begin with because it's foggy. But this concludes our stay at the Azores. Tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. I'm going to Madeira, and that's it. I'm just gonna go edit some videos tonight, eat, sleep, and that's it. Welcome to Madeira Island. In just an hour, 40 minutes. It is 11:30, 2 o'clock. I have scuba diving, so I'm gonna go get the motorcycle. Should be 30 minutes away. Get the motorcycle and vroom vroom to the scuba diving spot.